Hello students, in the previous lecture we have already studied or started with the acid bases or salts. In that we have come across with the terms acids, bases and salts. तो उसमें हमने एसिड कौन कौन से होते हैं और कहाँ से ऑब्टेन हो रहे हैं, जनरल हमारे डेली लाइफ में एसिड और बेसिस हमको कहाँ देखने को मिलते हैं, उसके बारे में हमने ये फर्स्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ा था. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस हियर अबाउट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एसिड. ओके, व्हाट आर द जनरल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एसिड्स? Just firstly we have already talked about that acids are sour in taste. Acids are sour in taste. ये कैसे होते हैं? खट्टे होते हैं. Like for example oxalic acid in tomato, tartaric acid in tamarind and lactic acid in curd, then malic acid in apple. So these all are sour in taste. And like lemon juice is also sour in taste, while some acids, most of the acids are soluble in water. Acids are soluble in water. They can dissolve easily in water. Okay, they are soluble in water and like lemon juice easily soluble in water, आराम से dissolve हो जाता है पानी में. ठीक है, then these are good conductor of electricity. Acids are good conductor of electricity. Okay, acids are good conductor of electricity. मतलब we can conduct or electricity can conduct easily through them. Acid अगर molten state में है, molten और liquid और aqueous solution की form में है, then only it can conduct electricity. Then only the electricity can conduct through it, and we can say that they are the good conductor of electricity in molten state. ठीक है, molten or dissolved state or aqueous solution. Okay, these are good conductor of electricity in molten state. Okay, or in aqueous solution or solution form. Okay, then we can say that these are highly corrosive. Acids are highly corrosive in nature. They can corrode the metal also. Highly corrosive in nature. Okay, like अगर हम देखें कोई मेटल है, मेटल सरफेस के ऊपर अगर एसिड डुल जाए, मेटल प्लस एसिड always gives rise to salt plus hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is evolved out and the metal surface is corrode easily with the help of acid. Okay. Copper plus HCl gives rise to copper chloride plus H2 hydrogen gas. So in this case, copper metal is corroded with the help of acid. Okay. So we can say that they are sour in taste, soluble in water, good conductor of electricity in molten state, highly corrosive, and they may be solid or in liquid state also. Okay, then we can say that they have high melting and boiling point, have high melting point and boiling point. High melting and boiling point. Clear? So these are the general physical properties of acids. When we go through the chemical properties of acid, these are the physical property we can come across with it. These are the physical properties of acids, that they are sour in taste, मतलब खट्टे होते हैं, पानी में आराम से dissolve हो जाते हैं, soluble in water. They are good conductor of electricity in molten state or in solution form. They are highly corrosive in nature, बहुत जल्दी corrode कर देते हैं, and have high melting point and boiling point. Now as we go through the chemical properties of what acids, एसिड की अगर हम केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज देखें तो हम देख सकते हैं फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एसिड इज फर्स्टली व्हेन एसिड रिएक्ट विथ मेटल, okay, then they corrode it and we can say that yes, there is a chemical reaction between it and they form salt and hydrogen gas. In this way hydrogen gas is evolved out. So acid like अगर मैंने HCl ले लिया, HCl में अगर कोई और मेटल डाल दी, कैल्शियम मेटल और कॉपर मेटल या जिंक मेटल का पीस डाल दिया, जिंक मेटल डाल दिया, देन वी से सी दैट देयर इज अ formation of salt, ZnCl2 will be formed and hydrogen gases evolve out. Okay, like if we take acid of H2SO4, when react with any of the metal like copper, then it may form CuSO4 plus H2. Okay, CuSO4 and hydrogen gases evolve out. Okay, like this if we take any metal, so in all the cases hydrogen is evolved, and this is the complete formula for this reaction, that acid when react with metal always form salt and hydrogen gas. We can test the hydrogen gas. अगर मुझे ये हाइड्रोजन को टेस्ट करना है, एसिड में मैंने अगर मेटल का पीस डाल दिया है, Zn डाल दिया या आयरन डाल दिया, then if the evolution of gas is there and we can test this hydrogen gas by burning mastic नियर द माउथ ऑफ टेस्ट ट्यूब. जैसे ही हम जलती हुई मेस्टिक को अगर टेस्ट ट्यूब के माउथ के पास लेकर आएंगे, देन दिस बर्निंग मेस्टिक बर्न्स विद पॉप साउंड, सो इट विल क्रिएट पॉप साउंड व्हेन हाइड्रोजन इज इवॉल्व आउट. सो वी कैन टेस्ट और आइडेंटिफाई द इवॉल्व गैस बाय बर्निंग मेस्टिक टेस्ट. ओके, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एसिड. व्हेन एसिड रिएक्ट विथ metal, they always form salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, then secondly we can come to know about if acid react with metal oxide. अगर acid किसी metal oxide के साथ react कर रहा है, ठीक है, when acid react with metal oxide, then it again forms metal salt and water. Metal salt, metallic salt and water, H2O. Okay, acid when react with metal oxide like HCl, when react with magnesium oxide, it form magnesium chloride, the salt magnesium chloride, and water is removed out. In this case we can say that these metallic oxide are forming the salt and hydrogen gas. Another example for this is calcium oxide when react with HCl. अगर calcium oxide का reaction हो गया, then also it forms calcium chloride and water at the end. Means it is again the formula when acid react with metal oxide, they always form metal salt and water is the end product. Okay. If we go through the third reaction, then metal carbonate when acid react with metal carbonate. Okay, note down these examples also. When acid react with metal carbonate, acid plus metal carbonate, like carbonate means calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, then they always form metallic salt. मेटल का सॉल्ट बनेगा, देन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इवॉल्व हो जाएगा, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर, H2O. Okay, the evolved gas is carbon dioxide in that case. Okay, for example if we take HCl and calcium carbonate CaCO3, then what will happen? Calcium goes with chlorine and form calcium chloride CaCl2, and one hydrogen water and carbon dioxide gases evolve. In this case, whenever the reaction is taking place and if we want to find out the evolved gas is CO2, then we can test it with the burning mastic. It extinguishes the mastic. Mastic क्या हो जाएगी? बुझ जाएगी. And one more test for CO2 is lime water test. Lime water test means when carbon dioxide is passed over lime water, it turns milky. ये कैसा हो जाता है? It turns milky when carbon dioxide is passed over lime water. Lime water calcium hydroxide CaOH twice, and when react with carbon dioxide always form the milky precipitate of calcium carbonate. CaCO3 के milky precipitate form हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. लाइकवाइज अगर H2SO4 की रिएक्शन करवा दी हमने कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट से, CaCO3 when react with H2SO4, then again a metallic salt सल्फेट फैमिली का ये मेटलिक कैल्शियम सल्फेट बन जाएगा. ठीक है, सल्फेट फैमिली सॉल्ट कैल्शियम सल्फेट इज फॉर्म CaSO4 because calcium also having valency 2 and SO4 2. Then by crisscross the CaSO4 is formed while H2O and CO2 is released out. Carbon dioxide is released out. Okay, then again carbon dioxide is evolved as a byproduct. Then if H2SO4 when react with magnesium carbonate MgCO3, then the salt of sulfate family MgSO4 and H2O and CO2 is formed. Okay, water और carbon dioxide बन रहा है. In each case means this is the formula for this reaction, that when acid react with metal carbonate, always the metallic salt, water and carbon dioxide is evolved out. Okay, same type of reaction is going with the help of metallic bicarbonate. Metal bicarbonate means having metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, bicarbonate मतलब कौन है? HCO3. एसिड जब मेटेलिक बाइकार्बोनेट के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा, बाइकार्बोनेट हैविंग फॉर्मूला मेटल का HCO3 फॉर्मूला है. ठीक है, देन अगेन मेटेलिक सॉल्ट, वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज इवॉल्व आउट. ओके, इन दिस केस ऑल्सो द सेम प्रोडक्ट्स आर देयर. अगर हम HCl को NaHCO3 सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट बेकिंग सोडा NaCO3 के साथ ट्रीट करें, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? NaCl metallic salt is obtained, H2O and CO2 is evolved out. In this case also carbon dioxide is evolved, and we can test the carbon dioxide evolved gas is carbon dioxide with the help of burning mastic as well as by lime water test. That lime water turns milky when CO2 is passed over it. Okay, these are the main chemical properties of acids. And one more is there, when acid react with, okay, one more which is also important and used in many. Acid when react with base, then it always form salt and water. Okay, so it is also known as न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. एसिड अपना इफेक्ट बेस की वजह से न्यूट्रलाइज कर रहा है और न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट फॉर्म हो रहा है. लाइक HCl प्लस NaOH. अगर बेस ले लिया NaOH, देन क्या हो जाएगा? द NaCl सॉल्ट विल रिमूव आउट. NaCl बाहर निकल गया और वाटर फॉर्म हो गया. HOH मीन्स H2O इज फॉर्म. Means this reaction in which acid neutralizes the effect of base, or we can say that the base neutralizes the effect of acid, and salt and water are formed in this reaction. Okay, is it clear? Then revise it at home again and learn these formula easily. That acid when react with metal then form salt and hydrogen gas. Acid with react with metal oxide, they always form metallic salt. And water, acid when react with metal carbonate form salt and carbon dioxide and water. Acid when react with metallic bicarbonate, they form salt and carbon dioxide and water. In case of acid when react with base, they always form salt and water. This reaction, which is neutralization reaction, used in industries for disposal of waste. If the waste is in acidic form, then the base is used for neutralization of acid, and salt and water is formed. During the disposal of waste in the river, this reaction is used for neutralizing the effect of acid. Okay, thank you.